Look at the tints. See what I mean about the tints? See the dark.
Hey, what up, gang? Boo617. Welcome back to the channel. So you guys already seen the video where I did my very first mod on the BMW X5. If you haven't, check that one out. But today we're gonna do the second mod on the vehicle. I mean, as simple as this: tints. We're gonna add some tints because right now these things are bare. It's not working with these. So what I'm gonna end up doing is getting a shop to just put the tints on today. I already made the appointment, and that's ready to go. First, we gotta go wash the car because, like, you know, we're in the middle of winter. We're in February. A bunch of snow everywhere, a bunch of salt. So the car is very salty and it's frustrating. So I'm gonna go wash it off, and then we could head to the shop to get the tints installed. Come with me. Gotta be 93, baby. $56.74, 17.73 gallons to fill this thing up. Jesus. You can see how salty she is right now. It's nothing but salt. We gotta get rid of that. We can't have that. So the tints that I'm actually gonna get on the car, I just want them to match the back. I know that you can't really capture the actual darkness of the back windows, but they're pretty dark compared to the front. I believe there are 20, and I want these to be 20 as well. Now, it's not legal in the state of Massachusetts to go anywhere under 35, but if I go too dark, it's gonna be mixed matched, and if I go too light, it's gonna be mixed matched, and I really like it to be all symmetrical. So that's what we're going with, 20s all around, because the back's already 20, so I'm not touching it. We're just doing the two fronts, so 20 and 20. All right, guys, we are nice and clean on our way now to get this bad girl tinted. As you can see, what's flashing in the windshield there, that's the heads-up display. Got the mileage right there. It's LED, that's why it looks like that. I'm actually on my way right now to meet up with my girlfriend because I made an appointment to get both cars tinted. She's gonna get her Infiniti tinted. I'm gonna get the BMW tinted at the same time. She also has those the back windows that are tinted, so she's gonna do the same thing that I'm gonna do. Get the two fronts the same as the back. So we are in F&F, the same spot that I did my 370Z last year. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It explains on how to get away with illegal tints and getting your state inspection sticker. So check that video out. But we back here again to put the tints on the BMW today and on my girl's Infiniti. All right, guys, so they finished doing the Infiniti. So you can see it's a little tinted. So it's supposed to match, I believe there's 20 and 20, all around 20. This wasn't like that before. It just came out now. Mine is gonna be the same. The beam is gonna be the same. Just like that, tint and tint. It looks a lot nicer when it's dark. And we are done. Tints matching the back, all around 20s. It's hard for the camera to catch, but I mean, you could tell the difference between that, which is completely clear, and then this is tinted. At night is when you could really tell the difference. And that's just the camera too. In person, you could tell that they're tinted, but the camera has a harder time picking it up. So just like that, guys, is my second mod on the BMW X5 M Sport. Like I said, if you like content like this, I'm gonna be doing a lot of how-to videos on a lot of products that I'm gonna have ready for this car. I'm doing front lips, back lips, exhaust systems maybe, or exhaust tips. Doing interior work, wrapping, just a bunch of stuff that I have in mind to do. A lot of mods to do to the BMW. Oh, this shit. So if you like content like this, like, subscribe, comment. Camera keeps sliding back and forth. Boo617, we out.
See, look at the tints. See what I mean about the tints? See the dark. This is supposed to be factory back here, but the front the same as the back.